to show you how you can be able to claim your free domains from Hostinger. After you must have been through, getting a plan from Hostinger, I'm going to show you, if you are through getting a hosting plan from Hostinger, I'm going to show you how you can be able to claim your free domain and do most setups that you want to do on your Hostinger account. So without much further ado, let's get right into the video. Now, first of all, what you have to do is once you are through creating or buying a hosting plan for Hostinger, you just have to come here and click on this claim domain, so you can be able to claim your domain, because they offer free domain for the first year. So what you just have to do is to come over here and enter the domain name you want to claim. So in my own case, I'll enter this domain name and just do something, which is to go through the domain name, make sure that's the right domain name you want to claim. Now once you are through with that, just have to click on this area, choose the extension you want. You want it to be a .net domain name, you want it to be a .syz, you want it to be .com, and the rest of that. Now I'll always say you pick a .com, since this is a free domain that you are getting from Hostinger. Now the .com domain is widely used, so that's the reason why I prefer you choose the .com domain. Now, but if you have your choice, or if you have any other reason to choose any other one, that's left for you. You can choose as many from any extension you see here. You have there are a lot of them here. You have .email, .website, .space, .ted, .digital, .live, .shop, and the rest of that. So in my own case, I'll just click on the .com and I'll click on check availability. Now once I click on check availability, it will check if this domain is free. As you can see, this one is available. This domain I've chosen is available on the internet, which means I can claim the domain, and it is telling me when this domain will expire. That is the exact day I'm recording this video, that by 1 year of the exact day I'm recording this video, that this domain will expire by that time. So that's one of the things you have to take note of. And then you click on claim domain. So once you click on claim domain, it will take you around to tell you, okay, you have claimed your domain and the rest of that. So let's just allow it to load up so you can be able to see the next thing you want to do. Now once it's, as you can see, let's just allow it to load up. As you can see, it says, okay, now finish your domain registration. Now say, okay, is this a particular is it a for a personal use? The domain, is it for a personal use or for a company or an organization? You can say it's for a personal use. Now if it's for your company, if you choose this company, it will tell you to enter some details. So let me just choose personal, because my domain is mostly for personal. This is a personal brand. Now, and also you have to tell it the name of the domain, where it is being the country you are signing up from. So once you are through with that, then enter the contact details of the person. Or now if you are creating a site for your clients and you have to choose a domain name, just like in my own case, I'm creating a site for my client and I have to choose a domain name. So what I can just come here to do is just to input their name and input their details and the rest of that. So I will need to blur out or remove some certain details here. Now, and I input their email address. And once I'm through inputting their email address, I can then go ahead to choose most things. I'll input everything, the address, the city, and everything that is required of me from here. Okay. All right. Okay. So let's go ahead and then I'll input the number. I'm from Nigeria. I input the number that can be used for the verification. To click on that, doing that, it will register that domain. Now the reason why it's doing this process is to be able to register this domain so that nobody can claim it on the internet, so that is why it is doing this. So as you can see here, it says you're almost there. I'll now click on continue. After I must have clicked on continue, it will review it and let me know other things. So now it says everything you need to create a website. It's still telling me that, okay, you have your website builder, you have optimized for website. It has many things. All these things now that I can click on explore plans. Now this is if I have not buy a hosting, if I've not bought a domain, if I've not bought a hosting plan, then I will now need to explore their plans and get a hosting plan. But in my own case, I don't need it. I just have to click on skip. I don't need a website. So once I'm through clicking on that, I'll allow it to take me to my area, and now this is the dashboard that we want. This is the dashboard that we're waiting for. Now I'll create tutorials step by step to show you most things you need to know about this web hosting platform. I'll show you step by step most things that you need to know about. Well, I navigate through them. I'll tell you, okay, this is this and this is that. So in my next video, I'll show you all those things. So see you in my next video.